welcome back to Literature with Sasha, where we dive deep into the world of storytelling, words, and everything literary. Today, we are exploring the rich and diverse world of Pakistani literature in English, its history, its key figures, and the themes that continue to shape it today. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Introduction. Pakistani literature in English literature is a vibrant, multifaceted field that have evolved significantly over the years. While rooted in the country's rich cultural heritage and the aftermath of colonial rule, it also draws from the country's diverse languages, traditions, and experiences. English, being the language for former British rulers, has an essential role in this literary expression, provide writers the tool to connect with both local and global audience. In this video, we explore the historical development, themes, key figures, and challenges faced by Pakistani authors writing in English. We also take a closer look at the international of this literary tradition and consider what the future holds. Historical context of Pakistani literature in English. Pre-partition literature in English. Before the partition of India in 1947, English language literature in the Indian subcontinent was heavily influenced by British colonial rule. Indian and Pakistani writers of the era began to use English to express their experience, particularly through the lens of colonial oppression. Authors like Sir Muhammad Iqbal, although primarily known for his Urdu and Persian poetry, also made contribution in English that had a lasting impact on intellectual landscape. The impact of British colonialism on literary expression. The legacy of British colonialism left an indelible mark on literary world of the Indian subcontinent. It introduced English as the language of administration, education, and eventually literature. The struggle for independence and the partition that followed formed a central themes in much of the literature produced in this time. Writers grappling with their identities, colonial legacies used English to navigate their complexities of these new societal realities. The British of Pakistan and the influence on literature. When Pakistan gained independence in 1947, the country was marked by division, trauma, and quest for identity. This unrestrained period became a cornerstone for many works of Pakistani literature, with writers using their craft to explore themes of nationalism, identity, and the challenges of newly formed nation state. Key figures in Pakistani literature in English. Saadat Hasan Mandu. Though Mandu primarily wrote in Urdu, his short stories, particularly those dealing with partition, have been translated into English and remain deeply influential. His fearless exploration of complex themes such as human sexuality and the violence of partition positioned as a leader for modern Pakistani writing. Faiz Ahmad Faiz, a Nobel literate and one of the most celebrated poets in Urdu language. Faiz's English translations have introduced his revolutionary poetry to a global audience. His works tackle social injustice, human rights, and the collective struggle for freedom, all while maintaining a deep connection to the socio-political realities of Pakistan. Kamla Shamsi is a contemporary British Pakistani author whose novels have gained international approval. Works such as Burnt Shadows and Home Fire explore complex issues of identity, belonging, and the impact of political and social changes on personal lives. Mohsin Hamid, another important prominent Pakistani author. Mohsin Hamid works like The Reluctant Fundamentalist have been widely praised for their exploration of global issues, identity crisis, and the clash of civilizations. His stories often interrogated the tension between West and East, exploring how political circumstances shape personal experiences. Bepsi Sidhwa novels, including The Pakistani Pride and The Water, depict the struggle of women in Pakistani society and provide insight into the complex dynamics of traditional cultural versus modernity. Sidhwa is one of the most important figures in post-colonial South Asian literature. Themes in Pakistani literature in English, identity and self-exploration. A recurring theme in Pakistani literature in English is exploration of identity. Many writers focus on the tension between the individual's sense of self and the societal pressure they face. This theme is particularly evident in post-colonial works that question the natures of belonging and the impact of national border partition and its after effect. The partition of 1947 remained one of the most significant events in Pakistani history, and it continued to resonate in the country's literary tradition. Writers explored the trauma, loss, and displacement caused by this division, often portraying the emotional and psychological toll it took on families and communities. Migration and diaspora. The experience of migration, whether voluntary or forced, is a central theme in much of the literature produced by Pakistani writers in English. The stories of the Pakistani diasporas are marked by the challenges of balancing two cultures and navigating the complexities of identity in foreign land. Political and social commentary. Many authors use literature as a platform to critique political systems, social norms, and power structures in Pakistan. These critiques often addresses issues such as corruption, inequality, and the clash between the traditional values and modern ideals. Gender and women rights, women issues from inequalities to social restrictions from a major part of the narrative in Pakistani literature in English. Writers examines how women navigate the boundaries set by the particular society and fight for the rights in the changing world. The role of language in Pakistani literature. The use of English as a literary medium provides Pakistani writers with a unique opportunity to reach a global audience. However, it also present challenges as it can sometimes create a disconnect from the local language and culture. English is not the native tongue of most Pakistanis, but it has become the language of the elite and intellectuals. The integration of Urdu and other regional language into English text add depth and authenticity to the narratives, creating a fascinating blend of linguistic influence. The global appeal of Pakistani literature. Pakistani literature in English has a profound and receptive audience beyond the borders of Pakistan, thanks in part to the increasing numbers of diaspora writers who bring their personal stories to international stages. Works by the authors like Mohsin Hamid and Kamla Shamsi have been translated into multiple languages, earning honors and international literary awards. This global appeal has height of Pakistan portraying it not just as land of political unrest but as country with a rich cultural heritage and a diverse evolving literary traditions. Challenges faced by Pakistani writers in English. Despite the global recognition that some Pakistani writers have achieved, they face several challenges: cultural censorship, political instability, and the remaining effect of post-colonialism can sometimes smother the creative expressions of writers. Additionally, there is a constant tension between writing for a local audience and the demand for a global literary market. The future of Pakistani literature in English. The future of Pakistani literature in English looks promising, with new voices emerging from a younger generation of writers. Digital platforms such as blog, online journals, and ebooks have given writers more freedom to express themselves and reach a wider audience. As new themes and literary styles emerge, Pakistani literature in English will continue to evolve, reflecting the changing socio-political landscape of the country. Conclusion. Pakistani literature in English has come a long way since its inception, and its legacy is deeply intertwined with the country's history, struggle, and aspiration. The writers who have shaped this literary tradition have not only contributed to global literature but have also offered valuable insights into the complexities of life in post colonial Pakistan. As more writers take up the layer, the future of Pakistani literature in English seems bright, with the potential to continue making waves on the international stage. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Pakistani literature in English. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button, share with fellow book lovers, and subscribe to Literature with Sasha for more literary insight every day. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear what you think about these amazing authors and their works. Until next time, keep reading, keep reflecting, and keep embracing the power of words.